Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoya Day, licensed esthetician, and in today's video we are finishing up our Sunday self-care series by performing practical self-care. So practical self-care means doing different tasks that make just your everyday life a little easier, whether it's doing dishes or different chores around your house or apartment, running errands, or in this case we'll be redecorating my desk slash filming area behind me. My background, I want to change it up a little bit, so I'm going to take you guys through that with me. I've kind of been putting it off for a little bit because I'm not sure how it's going to work, but we're going to try it out and see what happens, and I'm going to take you along with me. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start removing everything off of my desk, and then I'm going to clean it off, and then I'm actually going to try and cover it with this marble contact paper. I don't know how this is gonna go, so we're gonna see. I tried using this for another project and it actually didn't work, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna start by removing everything, and then I'm also going to be cleaning it with some soap and just regular paper towels, nothing crazy. I'm actually going to be cleaning my makeup brushes in another video. On Tuesday, I'm going to kind of give you guys a little update as to what's been going on. As you know, I'm in Texas and I was hit by the snowstorm, so I'll make sure to give you guys an update on everything that happened and stuff like that. So if you're interested, stick around. And so as you know, this is going to be the end of the video in our Self-Care Sunday series, and I honestly feel like what I had planned for this series I honestly wasn't able to do, which kind of sucks, but I'm happy I was at least able to get some content out. So when things are a little better just in the world and financially and all of that, I definitely want to redo the series because I have ideas in my head, but the situation and, you know, the state of the world and still being in a pandemic has made things just a little harder, especially like celebrating my birthday, which was a few days ago. I actually turned 26, so, and I wasn't able to do what I originally had planned, but I still definitely have fun. Now we're gonna go in with the contact paper. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go in and measure it out. I don't think this is gonna be enough. But we're gonna try. We're gonna see. Well, alright. That was a fail. So I'll have to wait until I get more contact paper to do this one. But I'm still going to remove this part. So I got all of this at IKEA. I'll make sure to link everything in the description box below. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the tags. I was just tired of looking at this, honestly. So I have it all the way up here, but I can barely reach it. I don't even know how I got that up there. What did I stand on? Short people problems. So I have this vine greenery that I'm going to hang up in between some LED lights. I'm nervous to see how this is gonna go, but nonetheless, we're gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I'll find something else for it, hopefully. I'm gonna actually use tacks for these. Okay, so I got all of the greenery and leaves and stuff like that, or whatever you want to call them, vines, up. Now I'm going to go in with the LED lights. So I'm going to see how this is going to work. So I have command strips. So I'm going to go in with some alcohol and just a paper towel and clean off where I'm going to be placing the strips. So now I'm just going to go in with the command strips. I actually got everything off Walmart, so I'll make sure to link everything in the description box below. Now I'm going to go in with each part of the light. So I got all of the lights and everything on it. So I'm gonna turn it on to see if they work. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put my desk back together. Alright my beauties, that is it for today's video. I hope to see you guys on Tuesday where we can really catch up. And if you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram for more tips and advice. And also, I am still offering online virtual skin consultations. So if you would love to start having beautiful, clear skin with the help of a licensed esthetician, then make sure you click the link in the description box below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video.